Hi guys! So, by the time you're watching this video, wait, di ka nang. So, I have a chika minute. Di ka nang, I wanted to be more active on my YouTube account. Therefore, di ka nang, yeah. So, going back, I wanted to be more active on my YouTube account. Only because I like recording myself and sayang ang mga videos din ako siya i-upload. Di ka nang, basta mo to siya, you know. And then, maybe also makareceive ko mga PR packages. Hoy, feeling. Dili. Gusto lang ko mag-video from, videos akong self. So, today, get ready with me. Okay, so, I'm gonna be preparing my skin. I was thinking of makeup unta ko today. Pero nothing like nothing to what? Nothing to lose. I mean like kanang wala kayo atuan. Gusto lang ko mag screen prep because usahay mahunan ako nga ay magkanta-kanta ko sa TikTok like sige daw chikaras whether they like or not. Ganaan ako so at least naka-prep na akong skin so nag-makeup na lang ko. Pero I don't think I'm gonna be doing that today. So instead, I'm gonna lang ko kanang skincare routine. So, well, ako ang facial wash kay Lactacid nga pang baby. Katong blue. Nag 268 or 286 na 250 ml. I guess. And then, mama ko ligo. So, ito siya akong gigamit. And the next is that, muna siya nga ko ang kuan. It's the Pond's Skin Institute Bright Miracle Ultimate Clarity Serum. Actually, for my travel keme. And since we're not traveling, we're just traveling to every tab sa atong work. So, okay. So, I'm using now. I'm just applying it very gently. Yeah. What are the like na? I was also thinking, by the way, of starting my 75 hard challenge. Hard-headed, Dili ka ng kuan. Puhon. Gusto na ko siya i-start. Nananawag sa work. Hi, good morning. This is V from My Beach Rentals. How can I help? Hello? Hanged up. So, I'm assuming nag-i-absorb na sa ko ang face, ang serum. I'm assuming. And then next akong ginagamit kaya aquang cream. And ang aquang cream is this one. Ultimate Youth Night Cream. You know? Nag-focus siya, guys. And then, butangan tagamay. Not too much kay. Wala lang. Ang naigo lang nga makover tong fast lock. Uy, nagagabaho. Pero ito guys, ako na nakagingana. Pero, we'll see. Kung sa results ng video. Funny pa jud guys kay literal kaning akong camera ra ang ako ang kuan. Ako ang kanang to kaniya. Ako ang gihimo sa amin. Wala jud kay sa amin dili sa room I realize. Bitaw. Palit niya ko puhon na because we're living under consumption. Okay. Diba? Nice. So now, kanang ang next step na pod. Next step. Muna ko sa akong face. Ano ra siya guys? Dili siya like super OA nga dagang mga kinemerot in mga happenings. Also, I wanted to share in this video as well that I just got this camera and I'm using my DJI Osmo Action 4. It's my first ever camera. I'm so happy about it, and then especially that it's kanang waterproof. So, check out my my summer snorkeling videos. Check out paghani. Pohon mag snorkeling videos ko guys. So I hope that you would watch it kay i-message ta mo isa-isa if dili mo watch. Char. But yeah guys, thank you so much for watching my video today. I hope nga magbalik-balik mo og watch akong videos guys because nanong dili man. Di ka nang i-watch lang gudin nyo guys. Uy, mamumilingaw. Ha? Mag-upload po ko soon. See you on the next one.